Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see another video on the or another chapter on the HTML. So previously we have covered the what is the HTML and what is the tags. Okay, what are the elements and the tags. Also we have seen the basic structure of the HTML and the paragraph and the header tags and also in the previous class or a chapter or a previous video, we have covered the anchor tag also. Okay, if you haven't gone through it, please go through that videos. Okay, and that is your HTML playlist is there. In that you can go through all the videos of that. Okay, so next video we will see that what is the iframe. Okay, so we should understand what is the first of all iframe used for. So it is one of the HTML tag itself, so which allows us to embed the another HTML document or the web page in the within the water, the whichever the current one. Okay, for example, I have a one web page. Within that web page, I want to add another document or the web page within that same document means I can use the iframe. So for basically we use that this iframe for to add the videos or to add the maps or something like that. Web pages also if I want to add, I can use this iframe. So the basic example or basic syntax of this one is like iframe, source and the URL, whichever the website you want to add it, and the close tag. Okay. So let's see about the example. So how can we do this? Okay. So let's create a one of the example called iframe dot html itself. Okay, so I have created the one file and shift plus one. Okay, and enter. It will create the basic structure of the HTML. And so let's add the iframe tag here. Okay, so iframe tag, and let me add the what one of the cloud one of the URL that is called so let me take it for URL from anywhere. So yeah, so let me take it as a cloudinstitution.com itself. Okay, so let me copy this URL. Minute. So let me take this URL, control Alt, copy, and let me add it in my URL that is source. Okay, so I'm taking the source. That source is different and the H reference is different. H reference become the what the clickable. Source become from where you are taking that. So that is what the source is over here. Okay, so let me add this source and let me save it and run it. Okay, so here it might show some kind of web. Okay, so you can see within the some frame it is showing that our website, that is Cloud of Institution website, it is showing. Okay, so if you want to make it the height and width, you can make it as a height, how much you want. So I can use the attribute called height. So the attribute should be used within the the start tag itself. Then only it will give the some information to that tag itself. If you use in the end tag, it won't give any kind of information to that. So that's the reason you have to use it in the first tag itself. Okay, so means start tag itself. So height I'll give the 40 pixel. So let's see how much it will come. Okay, so it is very less. So let me go with a percentage. So it would be better for to understand. Compared to pixel, the percentage is more bigger. Okay, so let it load. Okay, so it is coming in the version. So this much only it is giving. So as of now, let me add the frame border also. So for example, I want to add the frame border. I can add is the frame border. Okay. There was no frame border. Now I'll add the frame border. So it will be in the border way. Okay. So this is the frame border. Okay. I hope this video is useful and you understood the iframe. What is the iframe and what is the purpose of this iframe? And so if you have any doubts, you can comment out. Okay. So and if you have liked this video, please hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel. And also you can share it to the other person also. Thank you for watching, guys.